one last thing to show you quickly about frames is that once I draw a frame, I can add different corner options to the frame itself. So if I want rounded corners or more decorative corners, if I go up to Object and select Corner Options, InDesign lets me select individually what I want each corner to look like, or I can press that link button and have the same corner settings apply to each of the 4 corners. Again, I'll click Preview On so you can see what's happening. And then you can set both the size. So just to make this easier to see, I'm going to make this 0.5 inches. And let's set it to fancy corners just to make it really obvious. And you can see I have that link button selected, so it applies to all of the 4 corners. If I turn the preview off, I see my original box. But I can use that setting to apply fancy corners, beveled corners, inverse corners, rounded corners. And the thing to remember is that you can set each of those corners individually. So you may want, I'll deselect, to do that I have to deselect, I have to break that link. But I may want a rounded upper right and lower left, and just a regular upper left and lower right. If I go ahead and say OK, you can see I now have sort of a rounded diamond shaped here. So those are some of the many ways that you can edit and change your frames.